That charge me back. Like to Babylon, no but that charge me back. One foot on my lip up here, bloody start. Like to Babylon, no but that charge me back. Oh, if I can land in the right hand, the man, I can the if I can land in the right hand, the man, but I weave in the foreign country on the island. Gonna put volcanoes on and I don't need that pipe. Babylon, come and tell me that you're right. I said that for me, then it's on your life. I said them coming and them took one down. Them say, hey, not to tell you after where you come from. You must have to speak a sentence under your tongue. You say, no, after so long, you must be mad. People with smoke cigarettes and smoking shine. Oh, whoa.
This is triplevibes.com. I gotta go.
And I'm saying to me, 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 whoa, see, whoa, whoa, hey. If I been on the moon, you don't like ganja, man.
Yes.
We are coming up on House of Love very soon. And that was Reggae Love, and it was just beautiful. Put us in a great vibe, put me in a great mood. I know everybody else in the studio is in a great mood. So, Dougie, are we ready?
Yes, almost.
All right, we're coming up. This is House of Love. This is Queen Regine. I'm on the scene. So, we're getting ready to put our intro on. I hope everybody's doing fine out there. We have a great show for you. We also have Big Paul. His 420 sessions will be coming up at 4:20 on the dot. And we have special guests today who will be calling in from LT Rewards. And if you like to travel, if you want to go all over the world, if you like to go to 70 countries and over 18,000 properties, for a fraction of the cost of traveling, airfare, cruises, destinations.
How do you do that?
Yeah, so you got to stay tuned. We're not going to give you everything at one time. We're going to have some special guests in the office, in the studio, telling you how you can travel for less and travel all over the world. And this is House of Love. Hit it, Dougie.
House of Love at triplevibes.com. House of Love at triplevibes.com.
Who's this?
Hey, how you doing?
Who's this? Who is this?
This is DJB.
Oh, hey, DJB. This is Queen Regine. Oh, you're calling early. You must have had us on your mind.
Oh, yeah. Always have you on my mind, Queenie.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's so nice to hear. So what's going on? What's happening today?
Oh, today is not too much happening today. I'm just kind of recovering from George Thorogood concert last night.
Yeah.
Rocked the crap out of the place, so that was a lot of fun. I booked off any gigs or anything because I wanted to go that far. I've never been there before.
Okay.
It was pretty cool.
Oh, well, that's great. And how's the weather up there? What's it like? And for those who don't know, DJB is in Canada, and he's all the way to the other side, up in Alberta, correct?
That's correct.
Yeah, right on the north side of Vancouver, a place I've always wanted to go. So, I don't know if you know, DJB, we partner with a travel company, and they will be on soon. So maybe I can get there quicker than I thought. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so tell us what the weather's like in Canada. Have you seen Bigfoot by any chance? Did you see Bigfoot this winter?
No, I didn't.
So how's the weather? What's going on?
Today I'm sitting my igloo. I have some fish that I call all ice fishing.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. It's like 70 degrees.
Oh, okay.
In the city of in Alberta, where I'm very, it can get pretty warm, and it's really warm today.
Oh, that's great. You never think of Canada being warm, but I know you have your moments. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Vancouver, the West Coast, is usually warm all year round.
Oh, okay.
In the wintertime. But
Right.
on the prairies, when we get hot weather in the summer, it's like in the 90 plus degrees.
Oh, really? Oh, I did not know that. It's like 90 plus degrees?
Yeah, we've gotten that quite a bit.
Wow, I'm gonna move there. Anywhere that's warm, I'll come. I can't wait to get over there, and I'm definitely we gotta meet. How far is Alberta from Vancouver?
It's probably I would say a good day and a half drive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like you can fly directly to Calgary, the city that I'm closest to, the big city that I'm closest to. You can fly there from Vancouver in about 3 hours. So
Okay, so it's a 3-hour flight.
yeah, 3-hour flight. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, bring it on. Come on over.
Oh yeah, I would love to. Do you know Vancouver well? Can you show me around?
I haven't been there too often. Maybe I could fly there and definitely explore it with you. But I couldn't show you around.
Oh, okay, all right. So what's the next place you're playing? What's going on the DJ scene? What's happening with you?
Well, I am doing a jazz festival for the West.
Oh, okay.
And that's going to be a lot of fun. We've got live band, and doing some harmonies or some music done there as well. Not my own that I created, but they want me to play music and stuff there, so I'm doing that. So I'm going to do a live show. That's the thing that's coming up for me. And then I have a sort of a big pilot kind of show a little later on in the summertime. A rodeo with that I'm doing too. I wanted to do country in a rodeo, and so I'm doing that. Doing the rodeo itself, and during the cabaret thing of the beautiful.
Oh, well, you've got a lot going on, so. All right. Well, we're going to get going with our show. We have Big Paul coming up, DJ Big Paul, and listen to us because his show is like oldies, Studio 54, the Garage, Paradise Garage, the Palladium. It comes on at 4:20 Eastern Standard Time. So listen to it and see what you think. And then Big Paul will be calling in soon. So you got anything to sign off on us and tell us what you want to tell us, whatever you want to tell us.
All right. Wow. I just want to say thanks for having me on. And the DJB in Alberta, Canada. The Canadian Cowboy.
Oh.
DJB.
Okay, well, thank you so much, DJB. We appreciate your support a lot. You know, DJB, he's one of the hardest working DJs up there in Canada and Alberta. So we'll give a shout out to you. So thank you so much, DJB. And we'll speak to you soon, okay?
I'm super Gene. Have a good one.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Before I let go, before I let go.
You have to call him back. I don't have time now. What's not working? What's not working? What's going on? Tell me. Talk to me fast. What?
And I know the day. And I really love you.
No, that wasn't a screwdriver. That was Patricia's CEO with a pen.
I wanna make sure I'm right, girl. Before I let go.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it now? Stop talking and tell me what you can hear, what you can't hear. Does it sound clear? Okay, so call me back.
Girl, it's a shame. I won't be foolish, no. I wanna make sure I'm right, girl. Before I let go, you know I think the sun rises and shines on you. You know there's nothing I would not do. Before I let you
I had to turn down. I had to turn down the music because it was so loud, and so was the mics. The mics were really high. Sorry about that. Just adjust your radio, and I think we'll be found here on in. This is DJ Dougie Press. Let's go, baby. Now, give me a second. I got too much other things to do. That's right, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 420, baby. For 420 minutes with Big Paul, KTU, legendary DJ.
Code NYClive.com. Driving Tunnel 12. Lift off. Code NYClive.com.
We're almost ready for it.
Stars Radio, House of Love. Yes. Yeah, I'm not having
Now this is a story all about how my wife got turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. A town called Bel Air. A town called Bel Air.
Yeah, an H popped out so you can get the password. I don't know if it's the Wi-Fi. I'm trying to get, we don't have the password for the Wi-Fi, so it's not playing here.
The stream isn't working. That's
Okay, you see the volumes. I'm not playing it now. Something's wrong with the settings. Okay.
it's going out. Hey, what's up, Paul? That's right.
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul.
I kind of meant the world to you. No. It's too low.
Yeah, too low.
I had a sweet love. I had a good love. I had a woman that would stand right there by my side. My lover didn't know. I didn't realize. This is Big Paul. I didn't realize I had. Big Paul's on the ones. To the day you walk out the door. My life, I swear I ain't gonna love no more. Cause I can't stand it. I can't stand it, baby. No. Was a good thing. She was a good girl. She was a sweet thing. Well, no. She looked so good. She looked so fine. I thought she was all right. I treated her bad. Would you forgive me, baby? And when y'all down on my hands and knees, and begged you, please, would you take me back? Take me back. Take me back. I wonder if anybody out there to feel like the way I do, because you lost it. Has anybody out there lost someone that could have meant the world to you? It's so sad now. Sing along with each other. I lost it. Sorry, I lost it. I lost it. Say I lost it. Sorry, I lost it. I lost it. Yes, I did. Sorry, I lost it. I What about now? What about here? Sounds better? I can't hear it now. That's true. There we go, there we go. That's right.
It's party time. Clap your hands. Hey, you! Don't touch that! Watch this! This is heavy, heavy nasty sound.
I see you, Greg.
I just got to take it back. I don't love you anymore. It's just a simple. It's a shame, dirty shame.
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul.
Give me love, give me all that you got. Give me love, give me all that you got. You know I want you,
I'm going to restart Big Paul's mix. I'm going to restart Big Paul's mix. Here we go.
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul.
That kind of mental world to you.
Yeah, we're gonna start Big Paul's mix over again. That was pumping. I'm telling you, this is Queen Regina. I'm on the scene. Hey, we heard Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes. I mean, we heard everybody dance, 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 Teddy Pendergrass. I'm telling you, it is off the charts. So listen up, because we really want you to hear Big Paul's mix. It's fantastic. And tune in, bear with us. We're just having a few technical difficulties here, but we're going to get it restarted for you so you can really, really hear it popping off now. This is Queen Regina. I'm on the scene. I hope everybody's fine out there. The weather's great. Everything is airy here. We are just really, really glad to be here. And call us up. Okay, 718-622-4590. Give us a shout out. 718-622-4590. And let us know how you feel. Let us know what's going on. Let us know. Dougie, we got something coming up. We got to start it back up here, baby.
Yeah, it's already started.
Okay. We're going to give Big Paul the shot he's supposed to have. We love you, Big Paul. Thanks so much for bearing with us, everybody. You know, things happen, but, you know, we're getting it straightened out here. We're on our mission. House of Love. Love, that's all the world it is love.
so sad, Lord. But without you, my life is so bad. I'm sorry to say, you gone away, and I'm going. The first deep inside, another day,
DJ Big Ball.
Get up! Get up! But it's party time. Stop the hand! Hey, you! Don't touch that!
let's go and Jesus thing. And we're working to get this sound to the max. So bear with us. We're going to catch up in a few different times. And we will be very soon. All right. Sounds great.
I just got to tell you that I don't love you anymore. It's just a simple. No, not like before. It's a shame, dirty shame, man. Give me all that you got. Give me all that you got.
It's not coming through. We got an interview, you know? Just hearing it.
No, it'll be fine. It's not the microphone that's got the problem.
No. I mean, people being able to hear.
I can hear you that's quick. They can hear you quick.
Oh, it's the music.
So I have to restart.
Yeah, it's that restart.
Love was all we could do. Running with you alive, alive, deep inside me. Our love was true for a while. Paying no mind to the past. We love it last every night. Something right. Playing lies to you with
Go, here.
And yesterday was all we
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul.
Never knew that what was wrong with me wasn't right. Tried to find me. It's true, I said this was all. This is what you need. I love you. It's happy, sad.
Who's this?
You're listening to DJ Big Paul.
Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's on the line? Who's on the line? Who's on the line? Who's on the radio? I can hear you. Say again. Who's this? Call me back. Call me back. Call me back. For some reason, your line is switched. Call me back. Call me right back because for some reason your line isn't clear.
Who's this on the line?
Well, it was Daytona Beach, but they're calling right back.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Eugene, I'm on the scene. You're calling right back. Thank you.
Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's on the line? Who's on the line? Who's on the line? Who's on the line? Caller, are you there? I don't know what just happened, but give me a second. There it goes. This is triplevibes.com. Who's this? Hey, what's going on? Are you there? Are you there?
No, I'm here.
Who's this?
So tell us who you are.
Who's this?
Yeah, so what's going on? Talk to us, talk to us.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly.
Go ahead.
Oh, yo, so what's up, y'all? I got one.
And this is, what's your name? I'm sorry.
None of my friends tuning into the show. I love y'all. I love what y'all doing. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. This is Queen Regine, and we're on the scene. Thank you for calling in. So, what's going on with you today?
Not much, just tuning in. Y'all know.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Are you at home or are you out or what are you doing?
I'm actually at work.
Oh, you're at work. Oh, wow. Don't let the supervisor see you. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so we thank you so much for calling in. And we're going to switch back to the music now and in a couple of minutes. And so what do you do?
Managing for Boost Motors. You know, just out here some that much. That's it.
Oh, okay. All right. So what's your plans for the rest of the day?
You know, just I'm gonna just go hang out with the fam. That's pretty much it. You know, so let's say just tuning in. You know, listen, enjoying what us. Appreciate the music. You know, just keep it going. You feel me?
Okay, that sounds
well,
good.
thank you. And how long have you been listening to House of Love? How long have you been listening to it?
To be honest with you, I just tuned in today.
Oh, great.
But I've been listening for 2 hours now.
Oh, that's great. Yo, we're so sorry. We had a little technical difficulties today, but we're getting everything straight down here. So thanks for hanging in with us. We really appreciate that.
Nah, it's no problem. Anytime.
Yeah. So thank you for calling in. What we got, Dougie? What we got going on here?
I'm gonna play a little something for. I'm going to put a little something from Ali B, Strangers in Love.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much for calling. We're going to get back to the music and continue to listen to us and tell your friends too. All right?
All right. Thank you very much for having me.
Okay, this is Queen Regina. I'm on the scene. We're here with DJ Dougie Fresh. This is House of Love. And we are back on the air.
Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
Hello?
Yes, who's this? Who's this?
This is the original Red Zone DJ.
Hey, what's going on? DJ LJ, I know that voice anywhere. So what's going on, big guy?
Everything is good. Everything is good. You know, been DJing for over 40 years.
That was KTU's Big Paul. You still there? You still there?
Yeah, you know where I am. We was first original players, Red Zone mixtape.
Yes, I remember it. So say your shout out so I can get it going, man.
So, you know, 40 years we've been doing our thing. And one night I like to come down and represent Red Zone the way it's supposed to be.
Don't talk about it, be about it. You know how we do. He likes to call in and talk some junk.
I see.
He needs to get down here and show us what he can do.
Come on down.
Well, you know you're welcome. I'm here Wednesdays and Sundays, 2 to 6, baby. This is triplevibes.com.
You know, I don't know no junk. I represent what Red Zone is all about.
Like I said, don't talk about it, be about it, baby. You're listening to triplevibes.com. DJ Dougie Fresh. What's in here between? You gotta talk. Yeah, I gotta go. This is triplevibes.com. Who's this? Okay, 1 second. Who's this? Who's this? Who's on the line? Who's on the line? It's who?
Hey, it's Riff.
Oh, hey, Riff. This is Queen Regine. How are you? Thanks so much for being very patient with us and calling us in. So I'm glad you got through. This is Riff Fernberg, and he is from LT Rewards. And I was talking to everybody out here about travel and how everybody likes to travel. And we have partnered with LT Rewards to give you, our listeners, the reward of traveling all over the world, 70 countries, over 18,000 properties. And Riff, I want you to give us a little bit more information and tell us about this great, I mean, it's fantastic. And I want you to take over and give us a little bit of information about your travel company.
Sure. Sure, I'm here with the car. Your company. We've got 390 that are all over the world.
Hello, are you there?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, and you have Loretta Arthur with you, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Loretta. How are you?
I'm great. Great.
Yes, and this is your baby, and you and Riff have partnered, and then we're collaborating with Code NYC Magazine. So tell us a little bit more, our listeners, how they can travel for a fraction of the cost and see the world and get their families to see the world and just, you know, be happy and spend some time together and have some downtime out of the stress from the world. So give us the information that we need in order to come along.
So that's what this program is about. Living a life of fun and a lifetime of travel and at affordable cost. We have $360 resort week. They're going for $3,000 a week normally, and we have got the absolute low-end prices of $399. That includes your taxes, and it's anything from a studio to a 4-bedroom. Every one of these resorts have full kitchens. They have full amenities, swimming pools, and we have them in over 70 different countries around the world. So you can choose anywhere. We've got over 1,000 weeks right now in Italy. We have thousands of weeks in Orlando, Florida. You just have to pick your dream location and go on to the program and find a $399 resort week and decide whether you need a studio or a 4-bedroom and book your room at $399 and save people thousands and thousands of dollars.
Well, that sounds great because, you know, I'm very familiar with what you do because I've done this before, and I'm so happy that you come along with us and we partner with you. Because one thing I know that people can save money, and I know right now you're waiving the $495 sign up fee. I mean, that's a lot. That's almost $500. And am I correct to say that they can go on trips for as little as $399, and they can do a monthly of $19.95 a month and be able to go to, I saw Iceland, I saw Jamaica, I saw Paris, I saw Germany, I saw Australia. So tell us a little bit more about the savings that we could get by becoming a part of LT Rewards.
Yeah, there you go. Are you there? Are you there? Is my caller there?
Hello? Hello, is this Rick?
Hey, Queen Regina, is it
Is
Yeah.
who?
Yeah, Patricia's here.
Hi.
Hey, is this Brad? Hello?
Yes?
Okay, let us call you back. We have an interview coming up soon, so tell us what's going on now. Tell us what's going on.
Okay. You use your phone and promo code on the website.
Repeat that one more time. Say that one more time. Because he was going in and out. I think I got the problem fixed.
So, just look at board to help us keep their traffic program.
Say one more time because you was going in and out, and I think we got you straight now. Say again. Caller, are you there?
Hey, Queen.
Hey, Queen, speak. He said, hey, Green Regime.
Hello, I'm here. Patricia CEO. Somebody said my name. I feel so happy. I'm so loved. How are you doing? Oh my gosh. You there, honey?
I just showed up on it.
Oh, Queen Regine now. Oh, she's coming. She's coming.
Fantastic.
Oh, okay, Loretta. We thought we lost you for a minute there.
No, Queen Regine thought she lost you.
Oh, okay. So as like I was saying, you know, I know you're waiving the $495 fee for all our listeners, and we have a code. It's code NYC MAD 88. If you use that code and come into our site, code NYC MAG, you're able to save thousands of dollars on your travel. So, Loretta, tell me a little bit more about your journey and how you and Riff got together, because we want a little background, because I know Riff used to be a geologist, and
Yes.
and you are an entrepreneur and a wellness guru. So give us a little bit more information about how you started this company and the reasons why you started this company.
The reason I started, I've been I'm a travel my whole life. So I've been on 6 continents around the world, and traveling is, I think, one of the best educations and experiences you can offer anyone. And so I've been traveling for 20 plus years, and I saw different groups that were selling programs for things between $5,000 to $25,000, and it's very expensive to be able to get an opportunity to utilize these weeks. And so I set the program up so it could be affordable for everyone. Are you there?
Yes, we're listening. Yes, we're listening. And so you wanted to make it affordable for
Are you
everyone.
there?
Yes, we're here.
Yes, we're here.
You're cutting out a little bit. So can you hear me okay?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly.
Okay. Basically, I set this program up so it can be affordable for everyone. It's a simple fee of $19.95 per month, and you have access to $399 resort weeks all around the world. It costs, most people know, anywhere you go in a hotel is going to be at least $100 a night. And we have this that's down to money. So people so you know, $20 a night per person on this program. And this is in a full resort with a full bedroom. And something fun. Definitely want to log in and dreaming about where you want to go and see how affordable and easy it is to get there.
Right. As I you know, looked at your site, it was very, very concise, and also you can do cruises. I saw you could do hotels, flights, vacation packages, and another thing that I saw was that you could also do a bridal registry. You know, you have people who want to give gifts to brides, and the brides can set themselves up on the site, and then people can donate towards their trip. And I thought that was fabulous, especially for couples who have everything, and they want to go on the honeymoon of all honeymoons. So that was a really, really good benefit of being a part of LT Rewards. And then I went further, and you could convert your cash. I mean, I knew how much the dollar was worth in Europe as opposed to the dollar worth in Mexico. So I thought that was really, really, really a good benefit of your company. I have not seen that on any other site where you can actually convert money like that. So Riv, tell us a little bit about yourself and, you know, what attracted you to the travel business.
People come back and get out of the hospital.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. And for those of you all who just tuned in, you can go to codenycmag.com and you can go to LT Rewards, and we have a code for you that will waive that $495 fee. And that code is code NYCMAG88. And just put that code in.
Yeah, code NYC Mag
88.
We can hardly hear you. Say that again.
Are you there, Riv?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay, great. What's some of the trips that some of your clients have taken and the feedback that you've gotten from them?
We're half a dozen to a dozen islands. But over China, Thailand, we thought
All right.
Our inventory
Hey, Riff. Hey, Riff. Hey, Riff. Riff.
Yeah, well, we like everybody to make sure that you get on our site, codenycmag.com, and go to LT Rewards and become a member. I mean, you can't get a deal like that. You know, your fee is waived. And Loretta, can you speak on the $500 rewards cash that they get back?
Just talk guys today. Give back to you. The evidence that today we're going to LT tax dollars go into your account that you can utilize on minimum brand. We have minimum. We have restaurants, designs, and we have food, we have hotels. For resorts that we just think are the best deals in the world. Where and so we're going to put rewards operations into the account if you guys sign up today, and you can utilize that on anything we have on the site.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great. And that's and they can go to restaurants. They can go to merchants, and I know there's a few services on there too. And so they can am I correct that they can take that cash back rewards that they get and apply that to their wherever they're going, these restaurants or merchants or whatever they're doing? Is that correct?
Absolutely. You go online and then we go to a post guarantee. We have a post guarantee. They find it on the site for input out for less money. If they do not do it, and give it right back to us. So the stock market is phenomenal, and the more dollars makes it even more valuable to go on there and buy something. So it's so it's 19 months to sign up to go and $500 in your account immediately. So they will have utilize that money and to be a member. And this is come to forwardincomebank.com because there's been a phenomenal promoter for so many, and they wanted to promote them and get back to them. So this is complimentary forwardincomebank.com.
Okay. Now, can you tell us a little bit more? I saw on your site where you have activities and tours and those, different types of services. Could you tell us a little bit more about the types of activities you have and the types of tours you have?
Destination. Some of the set it up so people can buy the tickets and have everything right before they get here.
Oh, okay. Well, that sounds good. What's your favorite trip that you've taken with on your services? What is your favorite place, Riff? And what is your favorite place, Loretta?
My intro is where I haven't been. My favorite one is where I haven't been because I love to travel. But it's probably I love Australia. There's so many good places in the U.S. I've been in. I have 3 left to go. I think Colorado is amazing. I think the U.S. has so many great destinations. I live here on vacation every day with weather we have here, recreation, water, and sun. So, but it's one of the definitely I haven't been yet. There's so much more I want to see.
Oh yeah, so much to see all over the world. It's just like, do you really have time to really see it all? But I'm pretty confident. I know with this service, you can get to a lot of places, a lot of destinations that you never dreamt that you could go to. That's the thing about LT Rewards. It makes dreams come true for travelers, and that's
exactly
and that's the really big part because so many people sit and they watch TV. You know how you sit and watch TV and you say, "Oh, wow, I wish I could go there," and then you look up the price or the cost, and it just stays a dream.
It does.
Yeah, it stays a dream, and you live most of your life just maybe going local trips, which you can do with LT Rewards. But I see that LT Rewards can make these dreams come true, and for your family too, because at the end of the day, that's all it is family. So I am so excited about this service, and I will be your number one client in order to get around where I need to get around, because this is fantastic. I mean, it really answers a lot of my prayers as to how I'm going to get all these places, on a spending plan, should I say. I don't like to use the word budget. I say spending plan, Riff, could you tell us a little bit about some of your trips and what stuck out for you and your experiences as far as travel is concerned?
Yeah, Riff, can you take us off a speakerphone?
If you're on
That's the thing we
speakerphone,
talk about.
yeah, if you're on speakerphone, take us off, please.
Is that better?
Yes, a lot better.
Okay. Well, I tend to go for older stuff. You know, most of the buildings in the United States, there's nothing more than 200 years old. You go over to Europe and you're walking down streets that people walked down 1,000 years ago, 2,000 years ago. And so I love Europe for the history, the museums, but then I also love, I think our country's most beautiful, you know, the Grand Canyon, just any place in the mountains, rafting down a river, just all that stuff. And you know what? At the end of the day, at the end of the year, if you look back, you don't think about the things you bought it. You think about the things you did and the things you experienced. So this is what the site's all about, is helping you to experience your dreams.
Yes, I agree. And also, you know, the photographs, you know, that's really, because at the end of the day, it's how you lived and who you spent time with, and, you know, the memories, you know, all the memories. And we don't live forever. So I encourage everybody out there in House of Love Land to go to our site, codenycmag.com, put in that code NYCMAG88, and you will, first of all, waive that $4.95 fee, and you could be on your trip in how long? How long does it take to get on a trip?
Our inventory is live. We've got stuff now. The resort weeks are typically Friday to Friday, Saturday to Saturday, and so if they sign up, they can be going somewhere by Friday. And of course, our hotels, they can be going somewhere tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Our hotels, yeah. It's right now. The prices are really amazing. And that's what's exciting, because I don't care how much money you make, you love a deal.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody likes to save money.
Right.
And if you're saving money, you know, you buy an extra bottle of wine with dinner.
Yeah, even billionaires love a deal, right?
Yeah, exactly. So, and if they go to Code NYC Mag and they click through our ad at the top of the page, we put on photos of the actual $3.99 resorts that they'll be able to go to, both exterior and interior shots. They can see the kitchens, they can see the type of great properties that these are that they're going to be able to stay at for an entire week for just $399.
Now, I have a question for Loretta. You know, especially in New York City.
Here's Loretta.
Okay. Hey, Loretta.
Hi.
I have a question for you. You know, it's a kind of a concern with people in New York City. You know, a lot of us are kind of city people. So can you tell us, if we're traveling around, will we be able to stay in the city? Because some of these places are resorts, they're far out. I want to know, for, you know, as city people, are there things there for us, you know?
I'm not sure I heard you. Can you repeat that question?
Well, I'm saying, you know, we have a lot of city dwellers, and when they go places, they want to be in the thick of things. They want to be right there in the city. So, you know, with some of these places, you know, some of these companies, they have resorts, and that's about it. And it doesn't appeal to, you know, the younger set, people who like to be in the midst of things. So could you tell us of what you have available, you know, in the cities? Do you have that type of inventory?
Well, we have inventory anywhere. When it comes to the resort weeks, we're always in the top resort destinations. If you're looking for, you know, young, hot, hip, you know, you want to be in the middle of the city, that's probably more where you want to go in and look at the hotel deals. We have hotels in any city around the world, and they can pretty much get anything that they want. So, you know, we have top restaurants, top hotels, you know, top name brand shopping. I mean, it's worth going on the site just to look and check it out. For $20, $19.95, just go on there, get your 500 rewards cash, and check it out. You will be so impressed that you will never go anywhere else to book your travel. And it's very simple. It's lcrewards.com. And you go to the registration page and you type in code NYC88 and enter. It waives the $495 initiation fee, and it propagates 500 rewards dollars into your account just by using that special code.
Is that automatic? And Loretta, is that automatic? Like the 500 rewards go straight in automatic?
It's automatic. So
Oh, that's great.
Go in there to register, and it's automatic. As soon as you type in that code, it will wipe out the initiation fee and credit your account $500.
Oh, I see. Now, is this something that is it transferable? You know, to another part of your family? Is this a transferable deal, or is just for the person who's applying?
This is definitely, it's only the person who registers can book and use those weeks. Of
Right.
course, that's what it's all about, is bringing your family with you.
Okay.
So we're here about building memories. We know that people, you know, who remembers what they got for their 8th birthday, but they sure know what vacation they went on with their parents when they were 8 years old. So people remember vacations. We're here about building memories, and we want families to come along. But at the price they're getting for $20, every family member is going to want to join, because they're going to want their own $500 to go shopping with. So the
Okay.
program pays for itself, even if they don't go use the $3.99 week. The program is so worth it to get your rewards cash and shop online. Go buy a Michael Kors bag or a, you know, Vivian Surf, whatever your preference, or Ray-Ban.
Oh, that's great. So, you know, the one good thing about what I'm hearing is that you can travel, you can shop, you can eat, you can cruise. I mean, you can even exchange or, you know, find out what the currency exchange is. There's a bridal registry. You get your flights. Everything's included. This sounds like a one-stop shop for travel.
It is. And that's what it's about. We want people to go and make the best memories of their lifetime and affordability. When you go online and into the program, we have what's called the Resort Week. It says Club $3.99, and you go click on Club $3.99. Now we have other Resort Weeks. Don't get us wrong. We have thousands of Resort Weeks that you can pay $2,000-$3,000 for. But you know, if you can get it for $3.99, sometimes you can get those same weeks for $3.99. So we're all for saving money. But it's a Club $3.99. We have earlier today we have over 40,000 weeks that are in the inventory live right now that can be booked.
Oh, wow,
For
that's great.
$399. So that's just that's my favorite spot. I just look on Club $3.99 and dream where I'm going to go and say, okay, let's do it, and book it.
Oh, wow, that's great. Now, let me ask you a question. How about traveling during those holidays when, you know, there's a lot of people traveling and they may have some blackout days? Could you tell us, you know, how your site works on when it comes to blackout days?
Well, we have, obviously, anytime that there's more people traveling, the inventory is limited. You know, we're going to have less availability in peak areas or peak times, but regardless of the week or the year, there's always someplace you can go for $399.
Yeah,
So
that's
there's
great.
always
Yeah.
a destination, there's always a location, and there's always a resort.
And even
So
even during the holidays, there's something there.
Every holiday, there's something there. Absolutely.
Oh, okay, so that's great. So, hey guys, you hear it. You can get holidays with this too, and that's unheard of with a lot of other travel companies. You know, so I encourage everyone to come right in with us and, you know, put that code in, code NYCMAG88, and get your trip started. Like Riv said, as early as Friday, you could be going somewhere. So we thank you so much for coming along with us and partnering with CodeNYCMagazine.com. And we can't wait to get on some trips ourselves, okay? Because we need a break.
You do. Come on down to Florida. We'll show you a great time.
Oh, we were in Florida for Winter Music Conference and Ultra Music Festival. We had a blast. So we would love to come back. So we're going to take you up there. And when we knock on your door, Don't turn us away now at the end.
No, you've got my cell number. Call me. We'll tell you a good time.
Yeah, I haven't been, I would love to see the Daytona 500. I've never seen that in my life.
Oh, it's a blast, and that is literally 5 minutes from my office.
Wow, I can't
We're on the same street as the Speedway. We're on International Speedway Boulevard here in Daytona Beach.
Right.
And we're literally 5 minutes. So we can get you tickets and we can get you into the 500.
Now, is it March of every year, the Daytona 500? Is that March around that time?
February.
Oh, it's February. Okay. So
And we have the 400 in July.
Oh, the 400 in July.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, we just did. I was at the Kentucky Derby event last night, and it was fantastic. I had a great time. The hats and everything like that. It was very Southern refinement there at the Red Rooster, so I had a great time.
Well, I did too. I had my hat on, and I skipped the mint julep, but I did have the hat. So it was great.
Yeah, it was great. Now, hey, Riff, what's your next destination? Where are you going?
Oh, hold on. Let me hand you over here to Riff.
Okay.
My next destination?
Yes.
Well, you know what? Just today, I drove my best friend to the airport. He's going to Italy for a couple of weeks. And he's always told me Italy's the place to go that he wants to go. But my heritage is German, so I want to do Oktoberfest.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Yeah, Oktoberfest. Oh, that would be great. Because I heard in Germany, they have this really beautiful market, and they have food and entertainment. It's just like huge. I've never been to that.
Yeah, I've heard the big long tables where they're just going through and pouring beer, and it's a great time. So, but I also want some exotic locations. I want to do Carnival in Rio.
Oh, Rio de Janeiro blue. Oh my God. Yeah, Rio.
Yeah, I've got a good friend here that's from Brazil.
Oh,
so,
I see.
And her and her boyfriend actually just went this past year. So they come back with these stories, and I'm like, I want to go. And that's what we want to provide people, is that they can go and come back and tell their friends they just had the best time of their life and save money doing it.
Well, thank you all so much. Thanks. This is Riff Fernberg, and this is Loretta Arthur of LT Rewards. And we thank you so much for being so patient with us today. We've had a challenging day, but we got through it with a smile on our face. And we thank you so much for partnering with Code NYC Magazine. And you will definitely get my membership. I'm excited. Yeah, I am excited. So I'm ready to go now,
I know what you mean. Wait till you get on and you can waste hours just looking about, dreaming about all the places to go. I've signed up a number of people that why did you get me into this? I spent 5 hours on your site last night.
Oh yeah, that's right. They got addicted. They're like, okay, I can go here, I can go there for $3.99, or I can go there and you got 5 trips, okay, for less than $2,000. I mean, one trip will cost you $2,000. It will cost you $2,000 somewhere, So this is a steal out there in House of Love land. That is a steal. It will not last forever, because they only have so much inventory, memberships to give out, and they're doing this especially for House of Love. So we thank you so much, and we will follow up with you and see how we can make it even better. So thank you so much. Once again, LT Rewards. This is Loretta Arthur and Riff Fernberg.
Thank you, Creator Gene.
Thank you. We'll see you soon.
All right. Bye-bye.
Back to the music.
Yes, Doug, it sounds great. Oh, keep it pumping.
Pump it up. MTV.
This is Triple Vibes. That kind of this. With this. Go ahead, call me back because you're still up there really well. It's gonna be young, really, really long. Okay?
Who's this?
What's Offset's favorite drink?
Oh, I don't know, Greg. What is it?
Party.
A what?
Party.
Oh, you crazy, Greg. What you doing?
Listen to I can hear all the phone ringing right to the air.
Oh, really?
Of course you can. It's a radio station and we're live, baby.
Wow, that's because we're live. That's right, Dougie. We're alive. How you feel today, Greg? This is Greg Hunt. This is DJ Greg Hunt on the phone. How you feel today, Greg?
It's all right.
You working on anything over there, or you just chilling today?
I am, but can't really say it.
What'd you say?
It's top secret.
Oh, it's top secret. Oh, okay.
Yep, like the military.
Oh, you talking about 007. Okay. I got you. I'll call you on the hotline and find out what's going on. You know, I'll call you on the special red phone.
Secret Service.
What you say? Yeah, Secret Service, right? Yeah. How's the weather out there in Jersey? What's going on out there?
Wearing a t-shirt.
Oh, you got a t-shirt on. Okay. Yeah, we have a little jacket here. It's still a little chilly here. I don't know. New York City is so weird. It was like really warm yesterday, and then now it's kind of overcast. So who knows? Only God knows. So what else you got to tell us, Greg? What's going on? What else you got to say?
Well, we're out the cold.
You what?
So it's all good.
Okay, well that's good. Well, we're getting ready to tie everything up now, so I'm gonna let DJ Dougie Fresh take over the 1 and 2. So we're gonna get off this phone. We thank you so much for thinking about us every Sunday and calling us. We really appreciate that. And we'll talk to you. We'll speak to you soon.
I want to send a shout out to all my fans over on the air.
Oh, good. Oh, you got fans. Yeah, you got a lot of fans. Yeah, so that's good. You thinking about your fans. Excuse me.
All right, I'll catch y'all later.
Okay, so we'll catch you later. That was Greg Hunt, DJ Greg Hunt on the line. Okay, Dougie, take it.
Remember this?
Of course I remember this. Oh my God, you're taking us back, Dougie. I mean, that's hardcore underground club. That's like Paradise Garage, Palladium, Studio 54. Yeah. That's real old school, Dougie. You bringing us
Here it
back.
is.
I need that because it was a challenging day today, wasn't it?
Hey, that's the truth.
I can see people twirling around the dance floor. I know exactly the moves on this. People twirling around, and whatever they were doing, they just had to get out on the dance floor on this one. I can see it.
DJ Earl asked, where is everybody? So I had to turn the camera around just for him. DJ Dark Cable, I got you, baby. Hey, hey, hey.
Just finished. How are you? Everything is okay? Good to see you. Everything's on ups and ups? Yeah? Okay, just making sure. See you next. I told Paul every other week. I'm trying to get a part-time job. Okay. All right. See you soon.
This is DTW First. Who's this? Hey, Colin. I don't know. Yeah, Call. Let's go. Let's say goodbye to everybody. And let me get this wrapped up. Hey, Carl. Who's this?
This is Carl Van Evius III calling in from Daytona Beach, USA, broadcasting from Brooklyn, the Queen Machine, the infamous, the one, the only DJ Dougie Fresh, House of Love, and we have we'll get Patricia Theo in there as well. What a wonderful show. We have our new partners with LTV Board. I will remind everyone, CodeNYCMag.com. Click on the LTV Board ad, and the promo code is right there. Code NYC88. Go to CodeNYCMag.com. Click on LTV Board, and you can learn and do everything you can learn about. What a wonderful, wonderful interview, Rasheed. Thank you so much. You are the bomb. You are Queen Rasheed. Absolutely. So God bless you all. I'm signing off. Next week, we're back on the air. And we are starting this week, Tuesday Night Club. By next week, we'll be giving away passes for House of Love parties with our DJs and our special events in New York City. Again, CodeNYCMag.com. Check it out. God bless you all.
God bless you, Carl. God bless you, Carl. What a day. It's crazy. Make sure I'm taking the right phone. Make sure oh, that's my jam. Oh, yeah.
I don't know what's going on. I'm like bugging out. I'm just having fun.
Yeah, I know. Oh, she's gone. No, she's gone. Yeah, no, that's not Jess. I'll tell her. You know, it's the person. Yeah. Oh, we're still here. It was, oh, it's good. Okay, so I'm glad you did it. Yeah, but what were they? Yeah, I'm following. Yeah, I'm just glad. Yeah, but I don't know. That's my This one for them good girls, great masterpieces.
that need of love. I wanna rock the so we can rock
Remember this?
Yeah. Yep. I remember everything.
You can call me that. I don't wear condom clothes. Stuff some hats.
Yeah. I'm sick of that. Yeah. You working it, dude. Take it fresh, working it. Lord. Hey, get up. Are you hearing your songs too here? You hear them too here? Oh, okay. Hey. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, that's hot, Dougie. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna work with it today. Yeah, Dougie.
We out of here. Laters. Just unplug
Down there. Unplug the little.
Yeah.
Yeah. Plug the cord on the right side of the left side of the TV.
Yeah. No, that little box.
On this side.
Yeah, just turn that LED button off. Just press it.
Okay. And what is this right here? This is the deal. What is this? This? Mhm. This one?
Yeah, no, it's all right. It's all right.
What is that right there? Oh,
You grab two of them. Oh. Other people are just running like.
I mean, the other guys in the back. Yeah, they were here. It was only one or two here earlier.
Tell Jess to speak on the mic real quick. check. Okay. So 6 here.
Okay, you good? Okay.
And we got 420 mix over here. And what I'll do,
So you got it on the sound card.
no, I'm gonna do the 420 mix
Mm-hmm.
straight from the,
From the flash drive.
yeah.
Okay. You plugging it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So it'll play from there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And when it finishes,
Paul said when you were doing the radio show, he said everything is perfect. He said, now can you backtrack in your mind maybe what you might have plugged?
nothing. It's just how his mix came out.
But it came out good, man. Because it's a different mix from last time.
Yeah, of course. It's a different mix.
Oh, every week. Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
If what I was playing live is different from what was played second, that means that what?
Yeah.
It's not me, it's
Whatever.
Memorex.
Yeah,
Whatever that was.
Okay.
So
Because you didn't take out no wire, nothing.
nothing.
Okay. All right. So that
All I did
means
was put on what he gave me. I can't go behind people and fix up their audio. I can't.
oh, okay.
So when their stuff messes up, even though I can do some things, I'm not a miracle worker.
Yeah, you can only do but so much because the product is what it is.
Yeah. So I'm sorry it didn't sound like it usually does, but unfortunately, I can only work with what you gave me.
These mixes came from a long time ago. So what did he do? I guess he downloaded them to something digital now.
I don't know.
Because they had to be analog when he did this. Do you know what I mean?
Because all I can say is it is what it is. Oh, it's 05. 06. That's it.
There's somebody walking upstairs. I was like, what is that? Who is it? It was upstairs. Let's see if I can go to the bathroom. It's too dark. Can you finish with the keys?